What's going on? It's facts you don't know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more well informed, make sure to subscribe and activate the notifications bell so you don't miss anything.
Watching children in their movements outside the home and paying attention to what they bring in their hands is imperative, because they're children who do not know what's presented to them by others, nor do they know how to deal with new things that they may have not seen before, which may constitute dangerous for their lives. Children may be harmed by bad people in the street, such as kidnapping or beating, which is spread in our time. This story of this Australian girl is evidence that the street has become unsecured, and the parents should take in caution because the danger surrounds the children as soon as they leave the door of the house. This girl was hospitalized after she took sedatives of unknown origin, where she found them in a bucket she was playing with. This girl, called Abby, lives in the company of her parents in a village in southern Australia. And like her Halloween fathers, like other Halloween fathers, she celebrated. On this holiday, children take to the streets of the city carrying buckets in their hands to get sweets from passers-by. Like other children, Abby took that day to the street and celebrated with her friends the feast of the holiday. But when she ate sweets from the countries where she was putting the sweets she collected, she was transferred directly to the hospital after she was exposed to a health problem. Little Abby went out with the children in her village, 50 kilometers northwest of Melbourne, to collect the sweets. After a beautiful day spent with the children, she went back home and told her mother that she was feeling pain in her stomach. Tara Roll, the girl of the mother, said that her daughter arrived at the house with a pale face, and when she asked about what she ate that day, the girl said that she only ate sweets that people gave her, which is what made the mother empty the bucket that she brought from outside and make sure of what was in it. The mother discovered that there were strange tablets among the candy that the girl was keeping in the bucket, where she found that it was very strange in shape and taste, and she'd never seen candy in that shape and taste. Then she took them to a pharmacy next to her house to check them. The mother discovered that they're tablets to treat mental disorders. Although this drug poses a risk to those who take it without consulting a doctor, the girl took tablets from it. After she found the shape and taste of the tablets are similar to strawberry pills, which made them take this candy, so that she suffers from malaise that almost killed her. After the mother noticed that her daughter's condition was getting worse, she decided to call the ambulance at 6 in the evening, and the girl was rushed to a hospital in Melbourne. The girl was still wearing the clothes that she spent the Halloween days when she arrived at the hospital. The police, after learning about what happened with the girl, quickly moved to discover that these bad guys who were trying to harm the little children by giving them those pills that are harmful to their health. Although the police cordoned off the entire area, they did not find any case similar to that of the girl. The girl returned to her home in good condition after she got the necessary treatment in the hospital. And when she and her mother arrived at the house, the mother examined the remainder of that bucket to make sure that their tablets similar to that one caused in the health problems of the daughter. The mother said that she threw all the candy in the garbage because she didn't think that these hallucinations were very specifically given to her daughter, and she did not suspect that someone was deliberately harming her daughter, but it may be that someone was just trying to joke with her. But everything remains. The mother said she was unable to do anything when her daughter noticed in the case that she was so terrified that she thought she was dead, when she looked at her and found that she'd stopped moving. Tara's husband also confirmed that he thought his daughter had passed away, but he continued to calm his wife and tell her that everything would be fine, which is what happened in the end. Although what happened with this girl can be unintentional, it almost cost her life. So it's important for the guardians to monitor the movements of their children in the street and not leave them alone. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.